Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we got a huge unboxing. I believe this is the Gans 356 Air SM. So let's just like open it up. Kind of failed there, but okay. I'm terrible at doing this stuff. Okay, now there's that. Wow. There's that. Maybe let's just try to rip it open. This is a little, oh yeah. Okay, I think I see something in there that's special. Very special. Let's open all of this stuff up. I'm not sure, but okay. I don't know what it is, seriously. It might be. Just open this up real quick. Oh my gosh. That is super nice. GAN. Oh. Oh my gosh. This is like super exciting. Oh my gosh, this is just super exciting. Oh my gosh. And we got the GES nuts too. Oh my gosh. If I can even get this out, I'm so excited for this. Like super excited. We got all our other cubes over there. There's my Cheaty Warrior. But oh my gosh. Gans 356 Air SM. No way. This is just okay. Just open this up real quick. Okay, let's just open this up. Okay, and it's okay. And it's out. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Can you like pull this box apart or something? Oh my gosh. The actual puzzle is so light. First time touching a GAN. Oh my gosh, it's really bright. And remember, Felix Zemdig used this cube to break the world record. 4.73 seconds, I believe it is. Just gotta rip this off. Wow. 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 Just wow. I just can't believe this. I just don't believe this right now. Oh my word. This thing's fast, bruh. Wow. 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 This is amazing. It feels a little, it feels right, corner cutting. I forgot to get corner cutting. Corner cutting's important, right? Come on. So, just gonna hurry up. Did it 2 times in a row, if you guys didn't see. But this is low-key awesome. This is just awesome. How about corner cutting? This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable right now. How about back? This is unbelievable. I don't believe this. I do not believe this. Oh my gosh, dude. It feels like really good, really loose. Oh my gosh, there's even a little bit of lube in there. Okay. Here's a bag. Let's check that out. And this just works like super nicely. This is amazing. Unbelievable. This is literally unbelievable. Let's do that thing again. See how fast it can turn. This is basically a test of how fast it can turn, so but yeah, just doing it. And like right now, I can't really turn a cube that fast, but wait. I messed it up. Okay, so let's just do a really, like, a quick solve on it. See what it feels like. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I'm actually pretty slow at this, so hope this cube makes me get a little faster. Wow. Seriously. But seriously, look at this Rubik's Cube right there. I can definitely feel the magnets. Awesome. I think they're looser than they're weaker than the ones on the UM. Like a little weaker than the ones on the UM. But like this thing is awesome. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Guys, I hope you guys believe this right now. I mean, it's really amazing. Just doing a quick solve on it and like already. This is, my gosh. This is amazing. It's just amazing. GAN, dude. GAN. Plus, these GES nuts are pretty cool too. I mean, compare it to the GE Warrior W. Okay, guys, hear this sound. It catches a lot. It can corner cut. That's like nothing. It can corner cut like that much, maybe. I don't know. But this one. Wow, super quiet. Like, really quiet. And it can corner cut that much. This is impressive. Like, super impressive. So, guys, yeah. So, guys, I might do another review on it separately or compare it to the GE Warrior W or this one. I just can't believe it. GAN. It's awesome. So guys, if you guys enjoyed that, please leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe if you like this channel. Feel free. I don't like asking for subscribers or likes, so your ultimate PB renew. That's awesome. And I might open these next time, and bye guys!